CoinMarketCap, everyone uses it, but barely anyone knows who really owns it, and how a single $400 million move changed the way we track every crypto coin on Earth. This isn't just a website, it's a power move that still affects your portfolio today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ YouTube channel, and if you're a smart investor between 35 and 50 like me, then you know it's not just about what to invest in, it's about where you're getting your data, and CoinMarketCap is one of the most powerful and underestimated tools in crypto. The buyout that shocked crypto. In April 2020, Binance bought CoinMarketCap for $400 million quietly, no press tour. But in the crypto world, that was a mic drop. Because CoinMarketCap isn't just a price tracker, it's the front page of crypto. Every trader, from rookies to whales, checks it daily. So when the world's biggest exchange owns the world's biggest data platform, that's not just smart, that's strategic domination. Why it still matters in 2025. Fast forward to now, 2025, and most traders don't realize they're getting their crypto data from a platform owned by the exchange they might be trading on. Think about it, trending coins, gainers and losers, even watch lists and portfolios. They're not just information, they're funnels, strategically placed to feed Binance's ecosystem. How to use this to your advantage? Now here's the smart move for guys like us. Use CoinMarketCap's free tools like a pro. Watch lists, track upcoming coins before they trend. Alerts, get notified before a breakout. Portfolio tracker, stay on top of your moves without logging into your exchange. And yes, it's still free. Binance is betting that you'll use CoinMarketCap, then trade on them, so why not use their funnel to find opportunities before the crowd? Motivation. Stop consuming, start profiting. Look, most guys in their 30s and 40s are sitting on potential but still scrolling. CoinMarketCap isn't just a website, it's a battlefield, and the ones who win aren't the loudest, they're the most informed. You've got the age, the smarts, and the patience. Now, you just need the right tool. Use CoinMarketCap like a sniper, not a tourist. So here's what you do next. 1. Go on CoinMarketCap. Filter for low-cap gainers under 10 million market cap. 2. Add 5 of them to your watch list. 3. Set alerts. And don't just watch, act when the signal hits. And if you want more smart, no-fluff breakdowns like this, hit that like, share, and subscribe button now. Because here on Money Move IQ, we don't chase hype. We strategize for power moves, just like Binance did in 2020.